Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to search for a menu by menu name using quick search option in Fresa application. So initially you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to quick search option at the top of the page. Here we have to choose the type as menu. Enter the menu name. After filling all the details, click on search button. Now the menu search results will be displayed on the screen. If we click on any of the menu name, then we can directly navigate to the respective menu page. Hope now you got an idea on how to search for a menu by menu name using quick search option in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.